Okay, me and my daughter, my princess, are getting ready to do some marinade to marinate the turkey.
Marinate the turkey
Yes. For what?
for Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving, for tomorrow, right? For tomorrow. We're gonna marinate it, and we're gonna have put the ingredients right now. We're looking for some of them, and
Not
it's
looking for
and it's going to go
ingredients. We're
and it's
looking
going
for
to
the
go. Yes, yes. We're looking for the crusher. Yes, and we're gonna use this this dish over here, this one, the gray one, the metallic color one,
So
to put, yeah, the silver, to put the, yeah, silver, yes, to to put the to put the turkey right here in this oven. So here we go. We starting now. We start looking for stuff. All right. There's my daughter. There's my, okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Um, um,
is it?
yeah, I think so. Yeah. Go ahead. Try to see if it goes in it. Gently.
I'm also looking for other stuff in case.
I think that's it. Yeah. You got your sandals, right?
Yeah, they're right over there.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes in.
You got
This
it.
goes on. I don't know how it goes on top though.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's why we're here to learn together, right? To
Yeah.
work together.
I see how it goes.
Yay.
I just need there we go. I got it.
Yes, you got it.
Okay, now where's the lid for this thing?
No lid. No lid.
No lid?
Just like that, yeah.
Oh, so you just
That's
throw it in.
that's the lid.
It just throws
yeah,
the
you throw it
ingredients.
inside there. Yeah. Yes, we throw it inside there. Remember, we're not experts. We're learning all together, right? But we're doing it together, right?
Yeah, because we
Right.
barely use this blender.
Yeah. So this is not a cooking lesson, but this is a do-it-yourself, so you could save money. Saving money meaning you are not buying the turkey already made or whatever, you know. So we are making it.
Yeah, just to teach you how to do it.
We save money by making it.
So we got these
And it's a good
herbs
thing.
at Natural
Yeah.
Herbs that we're gonna put in here. But we got
And
these
blend
herbs at
them.
Wegmans.
Yes, and
see
blend them.
Wegmans on
Yes,
it.
and we're not Workman's is not sponsoring our video either.
Our video.
None of the companies that we might mention in here are sponsoring our video. Yes, you see.
Okay, and if you want to get these herbs yourself,
None of the companies that are printed or
They're the-
or that we mention.
what does this say?
Poultry herb
Poultry
mix.
herb mix. If
Okay.
you want to get it yourself. So do I plug this in?
Yes, over there on the bottom one.
I'm gonna take the toaster oven now.
Yes, you could do that. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So which one do I put it on? High or low?
You put it on low, If you, baby, if you're not looking at yourself, it's because I'm monitoring here, okay? That the video is running smoothly, okay?
It's not turning on.
Oh, it's not turned on. Oh, so maybe let me see. Check. How about now? Now? Okay. What came out? The blender? Oh.
Nothing.
What did you took off of it?
The toaster oven.
Oh, this was too old.
We'll be back. We're having some technical.
No, don't stop it.
Oh, okay. Don't stop it. I didn't stop it yet. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties.
Yeah. But we are here to do it together, so
That's why our channel is called Do It Yourself.
yeah, do it yourself. So you could do it. So you could do everything by yourself. Yes, like that, and this goes like that. Now it should work because it's locked. So it
Oh,
so
okay, it's done
this
now.
activates
We
the
got
blade.
it.
That activates the blade.
The pulse, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, there you go. So now, yeah, we're ready to throw. We're ready to throw one of those in.
Poultry
Yeah.
herbs in.
Yes.
Right
Yeah, a
here.
poultry. Yes.
Poultry herbs.
Yes. Yes.
So we didn't really like know what to put, and then we're gonna mix it
Yes.
with melted butter.
Throw everything inside. Yes. the whole thing. Everything. Yes, yes, yes.
Just like that.
Yes, yes, exactly. Yes, we throw everything inside. We're doing it. This is a raw video. This is not this
edited
educational.
in any way.
Yeah, not edited in any ways. And
Might be in one or two, but not really.
And while doing it, we're on the process
Let me get a spoon.
of learning at the same time. You know?
Yeah, we're
That's why it is an educational video. Yes. Yeah.
Don't throw the spoon in.
No. You got this one.
And our last one.
Oh, and then you got stuff like this. So
You know, that would have been
this
easier.
stuff, yeah.
Just don't put the spoon inside while you're blending it. That would be bad.
Yes.
You wouldn't have a spoon no more.
Yes.
And it's not edible.
So we're ready to crush it now. So we do it in slow, very slowly, very
Hold
very.
it. We gotta go put these in the recycling because we saved the animals. We saved the turtles.
Yes. Yes.
Here we go.
That's what we do. So it's crushing, but because it's very dry, it crushes it from the bottom. So we gotta do it slowly, little by little, until it's completely crushed. Since it's not working out, we could also use a couple different utensils over here to make it work.
Make the herbs like work.
Yes. Oh, we forgot the blade. Completely forgot the blade.
Oh wow.
Oh Lord. Okay.
We forgot a blade.
We forgot the blade. So yes.
Or we make mistakes.
Yes.
I couldn't find a blade up there, so
Okay.
I don't know if it's up there.
We'll find it.
He'll find it.
Yes, we will find it. The thing is where?
There we go. Told you I couldn't find it.
Yes, I understand.
I'm gonna get some water because I'm thirsty.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Yes, okay. Wait.
Oh, I found my water.
Yes, okay. That's nice. I'm happy for you. And I'm proud of you.
Is that it?
It's over here like this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. How that goes.
You see, we never use this blender,
So we don't know exactly
so we don't know exactly what it
how
does.
to use it.
Yeah,
No, we don't.
but the herbs smell good though.
Yeah.
Like if you can smell through the camera, they smell good.
Yes.
I'll check in this drawer also.
Yes, please.
It's not in here. But I also thought it wasn't going to be in there.
Yes. You tell well.
It has to be in that drawer. Let me check. Let me check this time.
Yes, let me see.
Okay. I don't know why he doesn't let me check,
This way.
but that's fine.
We get to clean a little bit. Oh, this over here also. We have this also.
Now let me check.
Nothing there. Here.
Bringing new camera with me.
Yes.
Bringing the camera.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Did you find a blade?
No. Couldn't find a blade.
No blade yet.
No, no blade.
Okay, then let me check.